We're here at the Mount Zion Community House, and today's community service project is going to be detailing around the perimeter of the building and the mulch beds. So coming here by the side, you can see that there are significant overgrowth of weeds here in the mulch beds, and the project today is to get those cleared out. So you can see all the weeds here. Those need to be dug up, removed, and put in a wheelbarrow and disposed of in the backwoods. This plant here, which is a bush, that can be saved, but all these other weeds and outgrowth need to be dug up and taken out. So far we're here along the perimeter of the building. Now we're coming around to the back. There's a vine growing in this shrub bed that needs to be dug out. There's some weeds in a small mulch bed there by the handicap ramp. Coming around to the back corner, you can see there's a rather tall sucker weed or tree, I don't know which, growing out of the shrub bed that needs to be dug out. And that brings us around to the front, where there's a final mulch bed at the front edge of the building. The weeds inside that mulch bed need to be dug out as well. Finally, now there are a lot of plants here. We're not looking to address the plants as of yet, but we are looking to have the weeds in this mulch bed dug out as well. So if there's any plant here, the lilies, the sedums, the hostas, those can be kept. We're just wanting to take out the weeds at this pass. If you have any questions, text us on the community service remind app or call me direct, and we'll put that number up on the screen. Thank you.